How to mount a Minn Kota Power Drive V2 on the bow of a canoe. Ridiculous? Maybe. Effective? Heck yes. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As always, I appreciate you checking out another one of my videos. Today, yeah, that's right, we're mounting our Minn Kota Power Drive V2 on the bow of the old competition canoe. And no, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. Yes, I finally got a trailer, so I can quit dorking around with putting it up on my truck or in my utility trailer like I did in that last video and almost killed myself, gave myself a hernia. And having it on a trailer, if you fishies haven't been around since last year, I did have this mounted up here, but my battery terminals were all jacked up and I thought I ruined the motor. Put new terminals on it, used it all the rest of last year and the beginning of this year on my boat, and it works just fine. So now that I have a trailer, I don't mind all that extra weight when I'm loading it up. I'm gonna put this back up here because the efficiency of having 1 foot control the throttle and the steering and having it up on the bow to fight the wind compared to that tiller drive trolling motor, which is way more powerful than this. This is only 55 foot-pounds of thrust mounted on the front. Way slower than 62 foot-pounds of thrust tiller mounted, way faster, but the efficiency of this is just way outweighs any speed advantage that I got using that Newport back there, and I love that motor. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Let's get after it. So yeah, we got a bunch more mods to make. Fortunately, we already have the mount, the bracket from last year. I didn't burn it, I was going to. I'm glad I didn't. But in the Army, you're constantly improving your fighting position, and this canoe is my fighting position in tournament, so constant upgrades, right? And mods, and the little things that matter. Even just mounting this rod thing, rather than having to screw it on every time at every tournament, take it off, it's just an extra 5-10 minutes, bolting it down. Efficiency. But I'm gonna have to relocate the anchor wizard somewhere. Well, let's get that bracket. Oh, there it is. Like I said, if you haven't been around since the start, this was the first video on my channel. This was the first thing we did, was build this mount to put in the canoe here to mount this trolling motor on the bow. That was video number 1 on the channel. So if you want to see this being built, go back and check out the very first video. It's awful. I go back and watch my first 10, 20 videos now. Not that I'm a whole lot better, but still, just going back to those ones, I was so awful. But anyways, you gotta start somewhere, right? Yeah. So fortunately, I didn't burn this puppy. It's all built out of wood. I have my metal plate for the motor already on there. I just bought another one, put it on my boat when I took it off of here. So we just gotta slap this sucker back in there, and yeah. I took my canoe out last night to test out the trailer, loading, unloading. Oh my gosh, it's like life-changing. A little thing like this, and my wife bought me this for Father's Day, so thank you. Not sure where I'm gonna relocate this to up here, or how I'm gonna go on the mount, but this is one of my favorite mods this year so far. So I don't use it often, but I do use it, so I definitely want to put it back. We'll have to figure it out. The OG spot lock, as they call it. Alright. I just want to show you this real quick. All I did was my little rail that I had made that I was putting up on my truck and on the trailer. I just strapped it down onto the boat trailer and it worked fine. All right, here we go. This was mod number 1, project number 1 for video number 1 of the channel. And it worked quite well. It was just so heavy, and if you guys have gone back and watched my videos where I run well, it's not that far ago, like 3 videos ago or 2, where I ran my canoe up the back of my truck. This just made it so heavy and top heavy and tippy, and very inefficient. And then I thought I killed the trolling motor, so I didn't trust it in tournaments after it died on me in a tournament, but it was my fault because of my battery terminals. There we go, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up in here, 5 bolts, and she's mounted, and that's that. Slap the motor on. Oh, let's go. This is gonna be game changing once again for me. I know I said it 100 times. At my level, all these little upgrades and mods are game changing for me. And now with this trailer, with the mount, even with the trolling motor on here, it'll support the weight good to and from the tournaments. I won't even have to take the trolling motor off, which will be nice. One less thing. All the less things that make you more efficient. The less things you have to do that add to your efficiency. Improve your mental status, which improves your fishing. Finally. Here we go, mo fishies. Back on the competition canoe. I'm excited about this. I was grateful to have that Newport. I was grateful for that Newport tiller mounted, but there is nothing like controlling a boat from the front, especially in the wind, from a bow mounted position. So much better. And now the fact that I'm just gonna leave this right up here while I'm driving. Not even have to mess with putting that on. Oh yeah. And I over-engineered this. So if you're wondering how, you know, with the curve of a canoe, how you put a bow mounted trolling motor on it, you'll notice that these are different heights. I had to raise this up and level it. I used a straight line from the point of the rear to the point of the bow here, so I could see exactly how high the back had to be for this to be parallel with the keel, because that matters, because this motor just goes straight up and locks, you know, you can't tilt it. But heck to the yes, and yes, it stands up way too high, and it tried to kill me a few times last year. Yes, I didn't forget. There it is. Bow mounted trolling motor on the old competition canoe. I need to move this down on the post a little bit. It's gonna be in the way. No biggie. With the trailer, let's go. Game changer. Game changer. Heck yeah. So stoked, y'all. Alright, mo fishies, that's it. Just a quick one today. Putting our bow mounted trolling motor back on, showing you guys the new trailer. Game changing at my level. Remember, constantly upgrading your fighting position, whether you're fighting out of a canoe or a foxhole. Constantly working on it. I'll take this off, the tiller mount that we put on a few videos ago. Competition canoe mod, I don't know, 7.0 that was, whatever it was. This is 9er now, 9er.0. I don't, did I hear a 9er in there? Yeah. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, this is your first video, please go down below and hit the like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, if you like it. Go check out some of my other videos, my mod videos. I got a bunch of mod videos and a bunch of tournament videos, and there's gonna be a bunch more coming. So as always, you know, I appreciate the hours, the minutes, or just a few seconds y'all spend watching my videos. I really do. And until next time, catch you mo fishies later.